Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes your washing machine actually needs to be washed itself. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Maytag washing machine. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, your Maytag washing machine is about to get clean. So first of all, empty the washer tub. Remove all your clothes, items, or any leftover detergent pods. Start with a completely empty drum for optimal cleaning results. Also, this could damage whatever is in there. Then add a fresh cleaning tablet. So place one tablet directly at the bottom of your tub, never in the detergent dispensary, and then you look for the option Clean Washer. Run this cycle or even a normal cycle with the hottest water you will allow your machine to take. Then clean the dispensers and the seals. Pull out the dispenser drawer and wipe it down with a damp cloth. For the front loaders, clean the rubber door seals thoroughly, lifting the edges to reach hidden areas. Make sure that you are just gentle with the rubbers in case they are slightly aged. As they get older, they tend to crack. And then air dry after cleaning. So this means that you need to leave the door or the lid open after cleaning it to allow the interior to dry completely. This will prevent mildew growth and it'll eliminate any odors and it'll make it feel and smell fresh and clean. And here's some maintenance tips. So you should clean your machine every 30 days or every 30 wash cycles, whichever comes first. Use warm or hot water occasionally to reduce this buildup. Inspect your hoses and your seals regularly, as I mentioned earlier on, for wear, and avoid overloading your machine for a thorough clean.